Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're exploring Upstart, found at www.upstart.com. Upstart provides a platform for individuals seeking personal loans. What sets Upstart apart is its use of non-traditional variables, such as education and employment history, alongside credit scores, in its lending decisions. This approach allows them to consider a broader range of borrowers, potentially offering opportunities to those who might be overlooked by traditional lenders. The platform boasts a streamlined application process, aiming for quick decisions and relatively fast funding for approved loans. Borrowers can utilize Upstart loans for a variety of purposes, from debt consolidation and home improvements to covering unexpected expenses. It's worth noting that while Upstart offers a potentially accessible route to borrowing, it's essential to carefully consider the terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees, before committing to any loan agreement. Understanding the full scope of the loan obligation is crucial for responsible borrowing. Upstart emphasizes its commitment to using advanced technology and data analysis to assess creditworthiness, attempting to provide a more accurate and personalized borrowing experience. While this modern approach to lending has its advantages, it's important to remember that individual financial situations vary widely, and what works well for one borrower might not be suitable for another. Before making any decisions, thoroughly research and compare different lending options to ensure you find the best fit for your specific needs and financial goals. Remember to carefully evaluate the annual percentage rate, April, repayment terms, and any associated costs before accepting a loan offer from Upstart or any other lender. Due diligence and responsible financial planning are essential for navigating the world of personal loans and securing your financial well-being. Remember to explore the Upstart website at www.upstart.com for more detailed information and to begin the application process if you're interested.